OutSystems Mobile App Development Platform Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving deep into the OutSystems Mobile App Development Platform and exploring its features, capabilities, and overall performance. If you're interested, I've included links to the product in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. OutSystems is a low-code platform designed to streamline the process of building mobile apps with minimal coding knowledge required, making it ideal for both business developers and experienced teams looking to rapidly deploy mobile solutions. The platform's drag-and-drop interface is the heart of its usability, allowing developers to create visually appealing mobile apps without writing extensive code. Whether you're building apps for iOS or Android, OutSystems offers a unified development environment that supports both, while also handling the complexities of cross-platform deployment. You get built-in templates, pre-configured widgets, and intuitive tools for data integration, which helps speed up the development process significantly. OutSystems shines in its focus on scalability and security, making it suitable for enterprise-level applications. The platform integrates easily with existing back-end systems, supports complex workflows, and offers seamless integration with cloud services, ensuring your app is both flexible and future-proof. Additionally, the robust testing tools and real-time monitoring features make debugging and optimizing apps a breeze, ensuring your app is production-ready. But it's not just about the technical features. OutSystems is also designed for non-technical users. With a visual development interface, business analysts and other non-developers can contribute to the app creation process, bridging the gap between business needs and technical execution. The collaboration tools make team efforts more efficient, improving productivity across all stages of the app lifecycle. In conclusion, OutSystems offers a comprehensive mobile app development platform with everything from drag-and-drop interfaces to enterprise-grade capabilities. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, it provides the tools necessary to quickly build, scale, and maintain mobile applications. If you're looking for a way to speed up app development without compromising on quality, OutSystems is worth considering. Check the description for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.